storm that formed in western Poland following a record-breaking heatwave is developing rapidly. The storm is bringing heavy rain, very strong winds, and large hail in some locations, Polish storm hunters warned. This is one of the most extreme weekends in recent years. In Lubusz Voivodeship. The region was hit by a record-breaking heatwave that left city streets deserted, only to be followed within hours by a powerful storm, strong winds, and even a local tornado. Last weekend in Lubuskie was marked by extreme weather events. On Saturday, the region was among the hottest in the country. In Słubice, the IMWM thermometer recorded 38.9 degrees Celsius, a new June record for Poland. The high temperatures deserted the city center, with residents seeking shelter in air-conditioned rooms, parks, and beachfront areas. The local government deployed water curtains and urged people to limit sun exposure and stay hydrated. However, the calm and hot afternoon ended with a sudden change in the weather. Thunderstorms, accompanied by strong winds and heavy rain, struck the region, causing damage in many towns. Firefighters were deployed nearly 150 times to address the storm's impact. According to the Provincial Fire Department Headquarters in Gorzów Wielkopolski, between 3 p.m. and 11 p.m., firefighters from Lubusz Voivodeship responded to 146 incidents related to the severe weather event.
Ze skrzepu, bo tam drzewo jest zawalone też. To my to nic nie zrobimy, my musimy się cofnąć, Magda.
Dobra.
A tu już nie ma przejazdu.
No nie...
The most challenging situation occurred in Strzelce-Drezdenko County, where 73 incidents were reported. Most of the work involved removing fallen trees and broken branches, as well as securing damaged roofs. In the town of Świniery in Międzyrzec County, the roofs of 3 buildings were damaged. The most serious incident occurred on the road between Skwerzina and Świniery. A local tornado struck, uprooting more than a dozen trees and completely blocking the road.
Zdobiegniew i okolice przeszły bardzo niebezpieczne burze, był tam krótkotrwały układ burzowy, mieliśmy też superkomórkę burzową, to wszystko wędruje w kierunku Piły, no i tu możecie zobaczyć, jak niebezpieczne te burze były. Świadczy o tym te powalone drzewa tutaj wokół tej miejscowości.
Firefighters quickly cleared the obstruction and reopened the road. Despite the extensive damage, the most important news is that there were no injuries as a result of the extreme weather phenomenon. Forecasters remind us that such situations are common during periods of intense heat. The accumulated energy in the atmosphere triggered the formation of a powerful storm, accompanied by strong wind gusts, hail, and localized tornadoes. Firefighters in the Warmian-Masurian Voivodeship responded to dozens of emergency calls overnight from Sunday to Monday due to the storm that hit the region. The storm was most severe in the counties of Nowe Miasto, Iława, and Ostróda, where the highest number of storm-related incidents were reported. In the village of Kuligi in Nowe Miasto County, the roof of a residential building collapsed. Firefighters said no one was inside the house at the time of the storm, and firefighters secured the house with tarpaulins provided by the municipality. Heavy winds and rain also damaged the roofs of 2 houses in the village of Gierswoud in Ostróda County. In the village of Linowiec, Iława County, a tree fell on a car, but no one was inside the car at the time. In addition, firefighters responded dozens of times to reports of fallen trees and branches blocking roads. Firefighters in the Greater Poland region reported that from Saturday morning to 5 a.m. Monday they received 112 weather-related calls. Piła County received the most calls. Firefighters in Czarnków-Trzecianka County also had a lot of work. According to firefighter Lubusz, they received 152 calls from Saturday to 7:45 a.m. Monday. Most of the calls came in the Strzelce-Drezdenko and Międzyrzec areas. These calls concerned broken branches and trees. Firefighters also responded to 15 cases of roof damage and 5 cases of complete roof collapses. There were no reports of injuries. In Warmian-Masurian Voivodeship, firefighters responded to 83 storm-related incidents between 10 p.m. on Sunday and 7 a.m. on Monday. The highest number occurred in Świecie County, almost 30, and Chełmno County, around 20. In most cases, the interventions involved trees falling due to the wind. In Świecie, a tree fell on 3 parked cars in 2 locations. Strong winds during the storm damaged 1 roof, according to the Warmian-Masurian Fire Department. There were no injuries due to the weather conditions in the region overnight, from Sunday to Monday.